We are Innovative Roofing. Exceptional service directly from the owners. As a state-licensed and certified roofing contractor, we provide unsurpassed products and services to our valued customers. Where are we located? South Florida. We offer commercial and residential roofing services from Boca Raton to Coral Springs and everything in between. What makes us different? A roofing company that shows up when they say they will, returns your calls and stays in constant communication, delivers, and exceeds your expectations. You wouldn't hesitate to refer them to your friends and family. Innovative Roofing is certified among the best in what they do. We are a roofing company where you always deal with an owner. We have over 40 years of combined experience. Our services include commercial roofing, residential roofing, repair services. We also offer 2 built-up roof systems: TPO, thermoplastic polyolefin roof systems. For a flat roof that achieves waterproofing and drainage excellence, it's hard to beat a multi-layered system whose cornerstones are among the most water-resistant combinations known to man: asphalt and coal tar. Sloped roof systems. Most residential homes use a sloped roof system. Homes with sloping roofs can withstand different weather environments and do not let water or debris accumulate. Sloped roofs come in tile, metal, and shingle systems. We are both a Master Elite and a Master Select contractor for the largest roofing manufacturer in the world, GAF. Fast facts. Our team is composed of 40 qualified team members. We have 150 years of combined experience. 82% of our business comes from referrals. We have completed 3,524 quality installations. View our projects. Take a look at our completed jobs in the local area.